Hi everyone, Trina here with another Tuesday morning haul video. Most of the stuff that I got is craft related. However, I did pick up a couple of bits and bobs that are not craft related. I will go ahead and show you those real quick off the bat, and then we'll get into all the crafty goodness. Alright, first of all, I got 6 bowls that look like this. They're made of hard plastic. They were on clearance. Normal $2.59 each. Suggested $6. But in my mind, I can never have too many bowls. So there are those. Got 6 of them. And then, this is so pretty. It's just a crystal gnome. How much did I pay for these? $3.99. Supposedly $32. What? Gnome, and the color is called Seafoam. So there it is. Isn't it so cute? Yep. I love it. I don't know if that's picking up the iridescent in there, but that's really pretty. And because I liked that, I felt like it needed to have a friend. So here's another one. And this one is Violet. And again, $3.99. Suggested retail $32. I don't really know much about this Simon Designs brand, but this one is my favorite color, purple. So anyway, there are the gnomes and the bowls out of the way. It is wind chime season, so yay. I'll just show you this real quick because I've been looking for wind chimes for months now, and finally got some wind chimes going on. Cute dragonfly. Again, no big deal, but $8.99. Whoops. Normal $12.99. I know crafty people might not care, but in addition to soothing our soul with crafting things, we have other soul soothers, and for me, wind chimes is one of those things when I'm sitting outside. And here's another one that I got. They're not too terribly loud, but they're nice nonetheless. And this one was, sorry about the racket, $9.99. Normally $19.99. So I'm so excited to have some wind chimes and butterflies in my life. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get into the crafts. Alright, so I got these scissors. At first I didn't realize what they were, but I was very excited when I actually looked at them. So these are Fringe Scissors. They were $5.99, normally $10.99 for those of you who don't know. These are by American Crafts. But look, can you see this? I don't know if you can see all the blades. Alright, so if you look there, you can see exactly what it's for. Anytime you want to make fringe or something that you need to cut like that, that is what these scissors are for. And it has 5 sets of blades in here. Nice, huh? I was so excited. Alright, $5.99. Next, I got these Jane Davenport Velvet Pastels. And I got 4 different colors. They were $3.49 each. Supposedly, they're normally $6.97. So I got Ice Palace and Neon Queen. Blue Blooded, which to me this looks more like a seafoam color, you know, teal. And then this one, which is Velvet Pastel called Throne, and it's kind of a lavender purplish color. So I'm very excited to try these. I've never used them, but I think they'll come in handy for my mixed media stuff. Yay! And I picked up a couple of cheap little stamp sets. This is by Simple Stories, See the World. It's 4x6 stamp with 13 stamps in it. $6.99, normally $15. I especially like it for these types of things. And that looks like an old ad, you know. Let's turn it over so you can see what's missing. The sky's the limit. But yeah, I really like some of those things that are in there. I'm not particularly crazy about all of them, but most of them I like. Anyway, hooray for that. And this is another Simple Stories. Hip hop hooray! With Easter coming up, I couldn't resist. $6.99, normally $15.99 supposedly. It's another 4x6 with 14 stamps in it. I love these little trails for the critters, for the bee, butterfly. You're so sweet. Happy spring. Anyway, let's look back here so you can see what was missing, which was this adorable little bunny face, and somebody loves you. I really liked that because I picked up some Easter papers, and I'm very excited about doing some cards out of those, and that will come in handy. Alright, next, let's get to the brushes real quick. I picked up a whole bunch of different Martha Stewart brushes. Alright, hello. Focus. $3.99. Suggested retail, I guess, $7.99. And this is a stencil brush set. And I have a lot of brushes, but I really don't have any that are dedicated specifically to stenciling. Those look like really coarse horsehair or something like that. They are natural bristles, so I am interested to try these out and see how they work for stenciling, so that I'm not using my usually I use my blending foams, but I want to see how those are going to work out. And I got these Martha Stewart paint brushes, $3.99, suggested retail $7.99. These are synthetic bristles, but there's what's included in the set. $3.99, not a bad price. I do like the way that the handles are contoured though, for holding. I think that'll be comfortable. And then I got these Martha Stewart brushes. I thought these might come in handy for doing mixed media things, dealing with, you know, collage medium, that kind of thing. They were $4.99, normally $12.99. And these are synthetic as well. And there's what's included. Yep. Alright, that's it for the brushes. Oh, forgot. Got some more scissors. I got this because I thought they were pretty. Yeah, they are, I think these are American Crafts. Yep, American Crafts. They're $6.99, normally $14.99. 8-inch scissors. But they just seem so smooth and tight. I'm excited to try those out. I kind of have a scissor thing. A pen thing and a scissor thing. I don't know what that is. I got these by EK Tools. These, you know, scissors. Scissors that do these different patterns here. These scalloped edges. I already have some, but I thought that these would be good, you know, so I could let my granddaughter have a set of her own. These are $3.99. Suggested retail $7.99. Yep. And that's those. Alright, let's get into the dies that I got. Some Sizzix Tim Holtz Thinlits. Dino Shrines. Okay, when my son was really little, who was it, that company that made all the dinosaurs? It's like 30 years ago. Anyway, when he was learning how to talk, we had all those huge dinosaurs for him, and he learned all the names, but he would call them Dino Shrines when he was first learning how to say dinosaur. So, anyway, Dino Shrines. So, there are 3 dies inside. Again, as always, wonderful, wonderful. They come in their own little plastic pouch. And you can see the dies have like all the separate bits and pieces. So you can build your characters up. You see that? Yep. Stegosaurus. Apatosaurus. Tyrannosaurus. Anyway, there are those dies. Did I already say $8.99? Normally $19.99? Yep. There we go. And then I got these Sizzix Tim Holtz Thinlits. There are 4 dies included. I thought these would be great for using, again, for mixed media, but other things as well. Again, the nice little pouch inside. Oh, this is called Retro Repeat. 4 dies. Oh, this one's called something. Prehistoric, just in case you didn't know, because I certainly didn't tell you. $8.99, normally $19.99. So, yay for more Sizzix Thinlits by Tim Holtz. Yes. Alright, I picked up these pumps. I did get some Mr. Huey's sprays not too long ago. And these American Crafts. And I figured, you know, I hear horror stories about these getting clogged and stuff, so I know ways that you can prevent that from happening. However, you just never know. So I did pick this up, and they put, 2 packs together and sold them for $3.99. Supposedly, the total price of these would be $11.99. So 6 of those. And then, okay, this has nothing to do with crafting. I guess it could. That's just a drying mat, you know, for the kitchen dishes. $3.99, $9.99. But pretty spring colors, right? Anyway, there's that. Sorry. And I think the last thing that I got at Tuesday morning is this. I've never seen this before, and when I saw it, I was kind of excited about it. It's typeset stamping block, and it will fit on your ink thingy. You see, it has the little pegs in it. So if you have the press, the stamp press by We Are Memory Keepers, then you can use this as well. Anyway, as you can see, it comes with, excuse me, small as well as larger letters, and they're not terribly huge. But this is gridded, so you can lay out your text. Can you see that they're showing you an example of it there? And then these are the cases to keep your letters in, the uppercase and the lowercase. But I'm kind of excited about that, just free-form letters that I can very easily put on the press. And I like that they're block letters. And I also like that the smaller ones are tiny, and the big ones are big and bold. I like to mix fonts, so I think that's wonderful. I'm very excited about this. Did I mention that? Yeah, I think I said that. Alright, anyway, you can see there. Alright, and this was $9.99, normal price, supposedly $24.99. But that's that. And that is it, you guys. Thanks for those who made it to the end. I really appreciate it. If you found value in this, I'd appreciate it if you give me a like. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite. Or let me know if you have any Sizzix Thinlits. I've been stocking up on them lately, and I have tons. Let me know if you have any. If so, what are your favorite Thinlits Tim Holtz dies? Please feel free to subscribe if you'd like to see more haul videos as well as crafting videos, which should be coming up soon. I know I keep saying that, and I actually did some crafting today. Where's the ink that was on my hand? Oh yeah, I did do some crafting, believe it or not. Anyway, yeah, subscribe, watch some other videos. I have a lot of haul videos on my channel, and again, I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much. Bye.